From the first pregnancy test to the day the child is born, expecting mothers do everything they can to make sure that their child is born happy and healthy. But many in Nebraska find themselves in the middle of a maternal care desert. I'm Alex Whitney for 3 News Now, here at the Capitol, where lawmakers are discussing the best ways to get these mothers the resources they need. Nebraska is home to some amazing medical professionals working at state-of-the-art facilities. But for Nebraskans seeking care, especially for expecting mothers, those resources aren't always easy to access.
Our story is our story, but I'm assuming it's probably similar to other stories for other facilities that have chosen to abandon obstetrical services.
Dr. Jared Kramer is one of the physicians urging lawmakers to address the maternal care desert that exists across the state. Around 50% of Nebraska's counties have been designated a maternal care desert, meaning the county has no hospital or birth center offering obstetric care, and even more counties are labeled as low access. Unsurprisingly, Nebraska's rural counties face the biggest gap in services, and the problem only gets worse the farther west that you go. But even in Omaha, there are communities lacking maternal care.
There's areas where we're doing well in Nebraska, some rural areas, for example. In rural overall, we have lower infant mortality, but overall, there's areas where it's worse.
While more providers is the easiest solution to increase access to care, there are other places communities can look for maternal care. Community-based alternatives like doulas or midwives aren't typically used in Nebraska, but several testifiers said that they could help bridge the gap between providers and mothers.
Supporting group pregnancy care can be a very efficient way to deliver care. Midwives do a great job often in delivering group prenatal and perinatal care. So there are a lot of innovative ways that we can get high quality care.
Today's hearing was only for gathering testimony, which lawmakers will then use to craft new bills in this upcoming session. In Lincoln, Alex Whitney, 3 News Now.